Hello everyone. In previous videos we had designed this equivalent circuit model for ISM band antenna, and I have successfully simulated in that game. It is providing us 2.4 gigahertz. Now I want to export this parameter to Excel. So for that I will select I will just click on it, and then I will come to file, and after that I will export. And for exporting in a specific menu, I will select a specific folder. So here I will save as parameters. Okay, so this one is a name. Okay, now I will come to Excel and open new Excel sheet, and here in this unit cell I will insert my data, my S11, so which exists in this folder. Over here, ADS, ISM band, and S parameter, and okay. Now I'll just click on next, and next. Okay, finish. So here you can see S11 has come here, but resonance frequency is not in a gigahertz range. So for bringing it to gigahertz range, I will multiply 10 to the power -9. Okay, and then I will just drag to add to, and so by default Excel will make that frequency in gigahertz. Okay, so now you can see here's power is 0 and here's power is 9, so that's why that is almost equal to 6 gigahertz. Okay, now the second step is I want to insert its parameters. So for that I will select this, and here I will just I'll select data, and then I will add S11 or S parameter, what you want to say. Okay, now I'll select it to from starting point up to end point. Okay, so this is selected over here. You can see cell number 101 is the last value, which is 6 gigahertz, so that is selected over here. Okay, now I will need to select manually select this two from beginning to from end point to begin, from end point to starting point. So you can see here it is selected over here. Okay, so by pressing OK, you can see this parameter is created over here. Okay, now I will need to delete these options, so I will select this, and by clicking it, and then I will delete. Okay, now I need to I will need an outbox. So for that I will select outline or shape outline. No, I will need here outline. So you can see here an outline is created. Okay, this is I think I should delete this S parameter because legend is showing over here, and I need downwards to over here, so that is shown. Okay, now I will drag to here, so you can see this parameter is shown. Okay, this frequency is shown at the above, and I need this at the low point, so I will just click, and then I will access label, so I need at the low point, so you can see these are shown over here. Okay, the second point is I want to fix starting and ending frequency. So starting frequency I want to 1 gigahertz, and ending maximum frequency I want to 6 gigahertz. Okay, and I need a strip of 1 gigahertz, so that I will let it to by default. You can change it to 0.5. It's up to you. So if I will close, you can see I think that doesn't show very well. Okay, now the second point is that is our in 10 to the power something, so I will come to number that were in the scientific mode and I need in journal, so I will select OK. Okay, now for that, if you see this parameter is also in dB, and if I will select on numbers, you can see journal that are shown over here. Okay, now I need to insert labels of gigahertz, so for that I will come to layout, and then I will select axis title. So I need primary axis, primary horizontal axis gigahertz, and I need vertical axis in return loss, and the name of return loss, and that will show straight vertical. So I need this S parameter or return loss. It's up to you. I'm just writing S parameter. S parameter, and that are in dB scale. S parameters, I think P is small, so I will capitalize it. S parameter or S parameters, it's up to you. Okay, now I need a line which represents minus 10 dB, so for that I will come to insert, and then I will select a specific line from this to this one, and I will just bold it, and I need this in a dotted form, so for that I will come to dash points, and I will select this. So now you can see, okay, I have just write, excuse me, I just write gigahertz, but I want to write frequency. Excuse me. I want to write frequency over here because frequency is in gigahertz. So now this is ready. Okay, one point that are ticks. Major ticks, I doesn't want that major ticks over here, so I will select none. Okay, and similarly for this too. Now if you see, your S parameter is completely ready to add it into a specific in a specific paper. So I will just select it, and by pressing Ctrl C I will copy it, and now I can paste to it over here. So this is completely ready. I will just if you see, it's completely ready, and here is an outline, and I doesn't need any outline, so I will select none. So now you can see this parameter is completely ready. I will give a subtitle or caption for a figure, so that can be created over here. So I think for now, bye bye.